Unlock your English skills, the art of storytelling and jokes. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to another episode in our series on improving your English listening and speaking skills. In today's video, we're diving deep into a very fun and effective way to learn, through storytelling and jokes. We're not just going to listen, but we'll also learn how to create and share our own original stories and jokes. Let's get started. Stories and jokes are more than just entertaining. They're perfect for learning a new language. They include different grammar structures, vocabularies, and expressions, and often depict natural conversation. Telling a story or joke requires us to think in the new language, enhancing our speaking skills, while listening sharpens our understanding and comprehension. How do we start creating our own stories? Firstly, start simple. Your story doesn't need to be a novel. It could be as simple as describing your day. Next, focus on details. This is where you practice using descriptive language. Instead of saying, "I ate lunch," say, "I enjoyed a delicious, crispy chicken sandwich for lunch." Finally, try to incorporate dialogue into your stories. This allows you to practice constructing sentences in different forms and perspectives. Jokes are a great way to understand and practice the subtler aspects of a language, like puns and wordplay. Here are some steps to create your own English jokes. First, understand the structure of jokes. Many jokes in English follow a setup and punchline structure. The setup is a situation, and the punchline is a surprising statement that makes the situation funny. Next, play with language. Jokes often involve puns, which are a form of wordplay that uses multiple meanings of a term, or two terms that sound similar but mean different things. Finally, remember that humor varies from culture to culture. What might be funny in your language may not translate directly into English, and vice versa. After crafting your stories and jokes, it's time to share them. Practice telling them to friends, family, or even your language learning community. Listen to their feedback, and don't forget to listen to their stories and jokes as well. Remember, learning is a two-way street. That's it for today, language learners. I hope you found this video useful and fun. The next time you're studying English, don't forget to incorporate some storytelling and jokes into your learning process. You'll be amazed at how much this can improve your skills. Until next time, keep practicing, and keep sharing your fantastic stories and jokes.